this module we're going to be talking about ES210, bioactive grease line control and treatment. This is a biological product designed to go after the types of greases that are commonly found in grease traps and lines. Additionally, ES210 is certified as green by EcoLogo. In fact, it uses only natural and renewable ingredients. It contains no ingredients found on regulatory lists. It's been tested for oral, dermal, and aquatic toxicity and is considered essentially non-toxic, and it exceeds recognized safety standards. Additionally, it's non-flammable and non-corrosive. ES210 is a highly concentrated heavy-duty product containing a synergistic blend of highly specialized bacteria, and they were selected based on each strain's superior enzymatic activity against fats, oils, greases, proteins, starches, and carbohydrates. I'm going to show you how it works. We have grease just like this, traditional cooking grease, which finds its way into a grease line. Grease traps are designed to collect grease like this, preventing their passage down the waste stream. Natural microbes end up becoming present, however, they're not very efficient. And ES210, when added to this, creates a highly effective and highly efficient colony of bacteria, breaking down those greases so that they'll flow downstream, while at the same time controlling unfavorable odors. Applications for this obviously include grease traps in bars and kitchens, but also food plants and food processing centers. After allowing ES210 to work for a minimum of 6 hours in the drain for ideally as long as 8 hours or overnight, ES210 has the ability to break down those deposits in the grease traps and in the lines so that they will travel freely down the line when flushed with running water the next morning. But it works in conjunction with the bacteria that naturally forms in drain lines. Unfortunately, the natural bacteria are not very efficient, so it replaces them with a highly efficient, highly effective strain of bacteria that goes after massive quantities of greases in a very rapid manner. Once it allows the greases and deposits to travel down the line, it leaves behind a biofilm of highly active, highly efficient bacteria, which will prevent deposits from forming in the future. Now, normally for a grease trap of 50 to 200 gallons, you would put in 14 to 20 ounces of product, which is about 500 milliliters. And then daily, you would add an additional 14 to 20 ounces, which is about 350 to 500 milliliters. And that would keep your drain running freely, keep your grease trap clean, and avoid those costly pump outs. For grease trap sizes larger than that, consult your product info sheet. ES210 is available in pails. They're 5.28 gallons in a pail, and if you need it in drums or any other way, just contact us.